Hi, Michael Gaffney here today. Let's talk radical design. Sometimes it's just about a whole lot of stuff. I love these giant fern branches I discovered yesterday at Build-A-Ram in Austin, the site of our new city. I don't know what to do with them, so I'm going to do this. I'm just going to drop them into my big pot. I love the idea of just greenery for the entryway into your home. What do you think? I'm almost fine with it like that. Maybe a little few lower ones, I don't know. Let's see, what else do I have on my counter? Yeah, I like these little bit lower ones. Gives it a little bit of frame. But just the thought of greens. I have some spirea left over. I could throw some spirea in the middle to give it a very sort of Portland, I think, vibe. Northwest vibe. I also have some big, tall, curly willow that could reach their ceiling. I'm gonna put some curly willow right down the middle. See, this is the kind of design I like. Raw. I'm gonna play with it a little bit. Raw, simple, classic. I have white Asiatic lilies. I could throw some of these in there. Pretty. So, I love this kind of designing. I hope you do too. It's for large entryway pieces, big important gatherings, hotel lobbies. This massive amount of product literally just almost thrown into a container and spread around a little bit. And all done in about 60 seconds. I think this would be nice in the entrance to my house. Here, we need to turn this. There's the front. Raw and wild. Let me know what you think. We're at flowerschool101.com. Leave your comments here. Is this gonna work for my party? Will my customers say, I loved it, Michael. It was so raw, full of wilderness and simple. We could play with it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more designer rush. Let's take a close-up. From way up to the ceiling, it goes all the way up to the ceiling. Let's take a backup. Drama in the house. Yeah, I like it. Now, yeah, I like it. See, the food would be scattered all around there. We got drinks piled up and pretty things, and everybody would think you're a radical hostess. So, Flower School 101, lots of ideas. Join us in class. I like this one. Tell me what you think. I'm dying to know.